Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon review to show you guys today. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this to you really fast. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. This is coming from my good friends over at Voltrx. You might want to grab a couple of these for yourself, for your trainer, your partners, whoever you go to the gym with, workout. But this is really cool. Protein shaker all the way up to 600. And the max is like 400-ish. Right there, if you guys can see. All the way 600 on top. Here's the bottom. To take this off, wash it when you get it. And make sure you charge this. It comes with the, so it won't slide everywhere. So there's that. USB. LED has lights around here. I'll show you in a second how that works. And all you gotta do is have some fun, lock it in. There you go. And then there's a USB right there. Comes with a USB cable, so it'll be set. All you gotta do is just plug it in like so. Bada boom, bada bing. And then here's a mouthpiece. Good size hole right there. Put a decent sized straw, or you could just take a good swig. Locks in good. Comes with a clip. And like I said, there. And then fill it up. We're going to do that right now. Be right back. Alright guys, we got it. Some H2O inside. So you can see the little action it shows in the light show. Got the name right there, Voltrx. Hold this right here for 11 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. You can see the light shows start. There we go. Look at that. I think it's like 6 different colors to choose from. But you can see the blue, the purple. See the purple right there? There's that one. You can stop it always. It looks like a typhoon. See? Boom. And then let it steer it again. That's so cool. You can see the lights down there. Just before you wash it, make sure you take off that USB battery. See how different colors it turns. So definitely check them out, and it's quick too to mix it. So definitely check them out, guys. And like I said, you could grab one for yourself, for your gym partner, for anyone in your family. It's a new year coming up, so you might want to start training the right way. I need to start doing the protein shakes and all that good stuff too, so this is gonna help. Easy mix. Look at that. Boom. One more time around and this should be good to go. Alright, so you can take it with you. There you go. Bada boom. Here we go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys definitely check them out. Voltrx. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.